In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get access to Google Workspace Labs. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the main Google Workspace site. Google Workspace is a collection of secure online productivity and collaboration tools, perfect for enhancing your business or personal productivity. You can simply type Google Workspace into your preferred search engine and click the link that brings you to their homepage. Once you're there, you're ready to proceed. Next, look for the admin console link on the page. This is your gateway to managing your Google Workspace settings, so go ahead and click on it. The admin console provides a centralized platform for you to oversee settings, users, and much more within your Google Workspace environment. Now that you're in the admin console, it's time to locate and enter the Google Workspace dashboard. Sometimes the name can confuse new users, but essentially it's just another area in the console that offers you an overview of all the apps and services your workspace has enabled. Once you've found the dashboard, proceed by clicking on Apps. This section houses all the applications within the Google Workspace suite. From here, you'll easily manage features related to each of these apps. Look around a bit to familiarize yourself. It'll help in understanding what you have access to. Now you want to locate the generative AI section. This might be titled a bit differently depending on updates from Google, but your goal is to find anything indicating AI or artificial intelligence capabilities within your admin area. Clicking on this section will bring you to a host of AI related management features and tools that are part of Google Workspace Labs. Once you're in the generative AI section, it's time to find and click on Gemini for Workspace. Gemini is an exciting addition to the Google Workspace Labs, providing advanced features that utilize AI to improve productivity. Keep following the straightforward path to these tools by selecting this option once you see it. Now, we're getting closer to enabling the powerful and cutting-edge tools within Google Workspace Labs. In this new section, locate and click on Alpha Features. These represent early-stage features Google is testing, which you can access and provide feedback on as they integrate them into the broader Workspace toolkit. Finally, here in the Alpha Features section, you'll find an option that you need to enable. This will activate the new Google Workspace Labs capabilities for your Google Workspace. Simply switch the toggle or follow the specific on-screen instructions to enable these features. And that's it! You've successfully navigated through the steps to gain access to Google Workspace Labs, opening up a range of new functionalities for your productivity suite. Be sure to explore these features and incorporate them into your routine to take full advantage of what Google Workspace has to offer. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.